I had been seeing a guy at the time who had no idea. And I literally was like, all of a sudden I was bald. I had no hair. And I was like, I lost it in the ocean.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, bye.
Wow.
And
it's not funny, but it is.
Looking back on it, it's
All
freaking
you can
hilarious.
do is laugh, really.
You can't, because you know what, that was my worst fear and I survived it.
Yeah.
Like, my worst fear is like a bus going by and grabbing it be gone. You know, that was a thing that I would picture. And it happened, and I lived. And, you know, the guy that I was seeing was like, oh, okay. Like, it's a shock, obviously.
Yeah,
I'm not surprised that he was shocked.
Yeah.
But it was like, cool, okay. I was like, so this is me. Nice to meet you.
How about you?
That's what you, but yeah, and I think having the amount of times that people have surprised me in their understanding and in their ability not to be fazed by something that, for me, deep down inside, it's like, it's the one insecurity that you have.